Bill Gates' journey in the realm of technology and innovation is nothing short of extraordinary, serving as a blueprint for aspiring entrepreneurs and tech enthusiasts alike. In the early 1970s, Gates, alongside his childhood friend Paul Allen, recognized the burgeoning potential of personal computers, a revolutionary idea at a time when computers were primarily large, complex machines used mainly by corporations and universities. Their shared vision of making computers accessible to the general public set the stage for what would become one of the most successful tech companies in history, Microsoft. In 1975, Gates and Allen launched their first product, a version of the basic programming language for the Altair 8800, an early personal computer. This initial venture not only showcased their programming skills but also highlighted their understanding of the market's needs. Recognizing the growing interest in personal computing, they established Microsoft in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The name Microsoft, a portmanteau of microcomputer and software, encapsulated their mission to cater to the emerging personal computing market. This was a critical moment in Gates' journey, demonstrating his ability to foresee trends and capitalize on them. By the early 1980s, Microsoft began to gain traction, but it was the introduction of the Microsoft Windows operating system in 1985 that marked the turning point in Gates' career in the tech landscape. At the time, most computer operating systems were text-based, which posed a significant barrier to entry for everyday users. Gates understood that a graphical user interface, GUI, could democratize technology, making it more intuitive and user-friendly. Windows offered a visual interface, allowing users to interact with their computers using icons and menus rather than commands, thus transforming the computing experience. The launch of Windows was not without its challenges. Competing against established companies like IBM and Apple required not only technical prowess but also strategic business acumen. Gates navigated these challenges with remarkable resilience, pushing Microsoft to innovate continually. The company focused on user experience, regularly releasing updates and enhancements that kept Windows at the forefront of the personal computing market. This commitment to innovation laid the foundation for Microsoft's dominance in the tech industry. As Microsoft's market share grew, so did Gates' reputation as a visionary leader. He was known for his intense focus, unyielding work ethic, and ability to anticipate market shifts. Gates famously worked long hours, often sleeping in his office, and pushed his team to strive for excellence. His leadership style, while sometimes considered harsh, was driven by a singular goal: to create the best software possible. This relentless pursuit of quality fueled Microsoft's rapid growth, transforming it into a multi-billion-dollar enterprise within just a few decades. The success of Microsoft Windows paved the way for a suite of products that would further entrench the company's dominance in the software industry. Programs like Microsoft Office revolutionized productivity in workplaces worldwide. With applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, Gates and his team provided tools that enhanced efficiency and collaboration, making them indispensable for businesses and individuals alike. By the late 1990s, Microsoft had established itself as the leading software provider, and Bill Gates had become one of the wealthiest individuals in the world. However, Gates' journey was not without controversy. In the late 1990s, Microsoft faced scrutiny from regulators regarding antitrust practices. Critics argued that the company had engaged in monopolistic behavior, using its dominant position to stifle competition. The U.S. government launched a landmark antitrust case against Microsoft in 1998, accusing it of using its Windows operating system to undermine rivals. This legal battle challenged Gates and his team to navigate the complexities of corporate governance and competition in the tech sector. Despite the scrutiny, Gates maintained that Microsoft's success was a result of innovation and competition, not anti-competitive practices. While the legal challenges were significant, they did not overshadow Gates' impact on technology. His foresight and understanding of the digital landscape paved the way for the Internet boom in the late 1990s and early 2000s. Gates recognized the Internet's potential early on and adapted Microsoft's strategy to incorporate Internet technologies into its products. This adaptability ensured that Microsoft remained relevant in a rapidly changing tech environment, highlighting Gates' ability to evolve and innovate continuously. As the tech landscape evolved, so did Gates' vision for Microsoft. He began to focus on new frontiers, such as cloud computing and artificial intelligence, positioning Microsoft to remain a leader in the tech industry. Gates stepped down as CEO in 2000, transitioning to a role focused on strategic decisions and innovation. Under his guidance, Microsoft embraced new technologies, further solidifying its reputation as a powerhouse in the software industry. Gates' journey is a testament to the power of innovation, foresight, and perseverance. His ability to anticipate market needs and adapt to changing circumstances has not only shaped Microsoft but also influenced the entire tech industry. The impact of his work is evident in the way we use technology today, from the personal computers in our homes to the software that drives businesses around the world. In reflecting on Gates' journey, we see a story of relentless ambition, a commitment to innovation, and a desire to improve the lives of people through technology. His early days as a programmer and entrepreneur set the stage for a legacy that extends beyond the confines of Microsoft. Gates has become a symbol of the tech revolution, inspiring countless individuals to pursue their passions and create solutions that can transform the world. The rise of Microsoft under Gates' leadership not only changed the landscape of personal computing but also redefined how we interact with technology, emphasizing the importance of innovation in driving progress. Bill Gates' philanthropic journey is as impactful as his rise in the technology sector. After stepping down from his role as CEO of Microsoft in 2000, Gates shifted his focus from business to philanthropy, co-founding the Bill Melinda Gates Foundation with his then-wife Melinda. This foundation has become one of the largest and most influential philanthropic organizations in the world, committed to addressing some of the globe's most pressing challenges. Gates' philanthropic work primarily revolves around three key areas: global health, education, and poverty alleviation. Each of these areas reflects his belief in the power of innovation and collaboration to bring about meaningful change in society. One of the foundation's most significant focuses is global health. Gates recognized early on that health is foundational to human development. With a vision to reduce preventable diseases and improve health outcomes for the world's poorest populations, he has invested billions of dollars in initiatives aimed at eradicating diseases like malaria, polio, and HIV/AIDS. The foundation has funded research and development for vaccines and treatments, working closely with organizations like the World Health Organization, WHO, and the Global Fund to fight AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria. One of the foundation's landmark achievements is its commitment to eradicating polio. In 2007, Gates announced a $255 million commitment to the Global Polio Eradication Initiative, which aims to eliminate the disease worldwide. As a result of these efforts, polio cases have declined by over 99% since 1988, with only a handful of countries still reporting new cases. This success story exemplifies how targeted investments in health can lead to substantial improvements in quality of life and longevity for millions. In addition to combating infectious diseases, Gates has focused on maternal and child health. He believes that investing in women's health and education is crucial for breaking the cycle of poverty. The foundation supports initiatives that provide access to reproductive health services and education for girls, recognizing that empowering women leads to healthier families and stronger communities. Programs that promote vaccinations, prenatal care, and nutritional support for mothers and children have seen significant success, demonstrating the foundation's holistic approach to health. Another critical area of focus for the Gates Foundation is education. Gates has long been an advocate for educational reform, believing that quality education is a fundamental right and a pathway out of poverty. The foundation has invested heavily in improving K-12 education in the United States, supporting initiatives that promote personalized learning, better teacher training, and innovative educational technologies. One of the foundation's most notable projects in education is its support for the development of the Common Core State Standards, which aim to establish clear and consistent educational goals across states. By promoting high standards in education, Gates believes that students, regardless of their background, should have access to a quality education that prepares them for success in a rapidly changing job market. Furthermore, the foundation has funded efforts to improve access to higher education for underprivileged students through scholarships and initiatives that help students navigate the complexities of college applications. Poverty alleviation is another critical pillar of Gates' philanthropic work. Recognizing that poverty is a multifaceted issue that requires comprehensive solutions, the foundation works to empower communities by supporting initiatives that promote economic development, agricultural innovation, and access to financial services. Gates has championed the use of technology in agriculture, believing that innovations can help farmers increase productivity and improve food security. The foundation supports programs that provide smallholder farmers with access to better seeds, fertilizers, and agricultural training, enabling them to improve their yields and ultimately lift themselves out of poverty. In addition to direct investments in health, education, and poverty alleviation, Gates has been a vocal advocate for policy changes at the global level. He frequently engages with world leaders and policymakers to advocate for increased funding for global health initiatives and education programs. His efforts have led to increased international attention and resources directed toward addressing the needs of the world's poorest populations. By leveraging his influence and platform, Gates has been able to mobilize significant resources to tackle global challenges. Gates' philanthropic approach emphasizes collaboration and partnership. He believes that addressing complex global issues requires cooperation among governments, non-profit organizations, and the private sector. The foundation actively collaborates with a wide range of partners, including governments, universities, and international organizations, to maximize the impact of its initiatives. This collaborative approach fosters innovative solutions and allows for the sharing of best practices across sectors, amplifying the foundation's reach and effectiveness. In addition to his work through the Gates Foundation, Gates has also contributed to numerous other initiatives aimed at improving global health and education. He has been a strong supporter of the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunization, Gavi, which aims to improve access to vaccines in developing countries. Through this alliance, Gates has helped save millions of lives by ensuring that children in low-income countries receive critical vaccinations. Gates' philanthropic impact extends beyond immediate health and education interventions. His commitment to research and innovation has led to advancements in various fields. The foundation has funded research on topics such as climate change, renewable energy, and sustainable agriculture, recognizing that these challenges are interconnected and require innovative solutions. Gates advocates for the importance of investing in research and development, believing that technological advancements can drive progress and create a more equitable world. In conclusion, Bill Gates' philanthropic journey is a testament to the power of leveraging wealth for social good. His commitment to global health, education, and poverty alleviation has transformed the lives of millions and addressed some of the world's most pressing challenges. Through strategic investments, advocacy, and collaboration, Gates has demonstrated that philanthropy can be a powerful force for change. His work inspires others to consider how they can contribute to building a better world, highlighting the responsibility of those with resources to make a positive impact. As Gates continues to evolve in his philanthropic endeavors, his legacy will undoubtedly inspire future generations to pursue innovative solutions to global challenges.